Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will help you play Love You Zindagi on your guitar with an easy guide. We'll start by learning the four main chords: C major, G major, A minor, and F major. Then, we'll tackle a simple strumming pattern that fits the song perfectly. Our goal is to get you playing this cheerful tune smoothly and confidently, so let's dive right into the basics. Let's break down the essential chords. For C major, place your fingers on the second, third, and first strings. For G major, use your first, second, and third fingers on the fifth, sixth, and first strings. A minor uses the second, third, and first strings. Finally, F major can be played as a minibar or open chord. Press firmly to make each note ring clear. Now let's master the strumming pattern. The most common and easy pattern for Love You Zindagi is down, down, up, up, down, up. Try to keep a steady hand and a consistent rhythm. You can practice this pattern slowly at first, then gradually increase your speed. Using a metronome can be incredibly helpful to keep your timing precise and even. It's time to put everything together. Start by playing the chords and strumming pattern very slowly, focusing on smooth transitions. Don't rush. Accuracy is more important than speed initially. As you get comfortable, gradually increase your tempo. Remember, consistent practice is key to mastering this song. Soon, you'll be confidently playing Love You Zindagi and enjoying every moment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.